ladies, it's Joanna here. So, butt and chest. Most of us want that, don't we? The good news is, with regular exercising, you can firm and tone them up, which will enhance and give them a fuller appearance. So I'm going to share with you 7 of my favorite exercises. We'll do each exercise for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. What you'll need is a pair of dumbbells, I would say between 4 to 5 kilos each. So, get your body warmed up and let's work on your butt and also your chest muscles. So ladies, if you're a beginner, you can do these exercises without any weights. I'm lifting 5 kilos each, okay? So the first workout is going to be a narrow squat with a reverse lunge. So we're going to alternate, okay? Narrow squat with a reverse lunge. The goal is to keep your body and your knees bent and low all the time. So do not stand tall. Ready? 2 seconds, let's go. Narrow squat with a reverse lunge, okay? Give me one narrow squat with a reverse lunge. Good, so stay low. Narrow squat, lunge, and narrow squat. The reason why you want to stay low is for you to really work on your thighs and also your butt muscles. Low, right, good. Do not rush the workout. Go low and reverse lunge. Left and right, one on each side. Good. Keep going, narrow, bend your knees, narrow, and lunge. You should really feel your butt muscles and your leg muscles firing up. Keep going. 4 more seconds. Last one. Give me one more and rest it out. Good. Next workout, I want you to stand wide. It's going to be a wide squat, okay? Toes pointed back, and I want you to hold the weights in between, okay? So what I want you to do is, I want you to squat down and push your butt back. Good, that's it. Ready? Let's go. Squat down and push your butt back and stand up. Squeeze. Squat down, push and squeeze your butt. Good. Down and squeeze. Good. So when you come up, be conscious and really squeeze your glute muscles. Low and squeeze. So do not bend forward, but squat low and up and squeeze. Good. Go low, up and squeeze. Alright, so point your toes out, squeeze your glutes, really engage those muscles, and you should also feel on your inner thighs. Good, very good. Give me a few more. Give me at least one more, okay? And good. Now, we want to work on the mat. So, grab your mat, okay? And we want to do a few chest exercises. The first is going to be a chest bridge press, okay? So, lie on the floor. Good. Lift your butt up. I want you to squeeze your butt and give me chest press. Good. So, elbows bend, push up, squeeze your butt, hold the butt, and push. Good. So, dumbbells straight up, bend 90 degrees, push up. So this workout will really work on your butt and also your chest because you're lifting your butt off the floor. Keep going, stay strong. Give me a few more. Up, down, and up. Squeeze, okay? Engage your abs. Do not drop your butt right now. Go. Keep going. Few more. Push it. Squeeze, and good. Drop it down. Let's get onto some push-ups, all right? So, onto your push-ups. I want you to do alternate push-up. So that means starting in the middle, okay? But let's start on the left side. Go down, alternate, go onto your right. So what you're doing is you're targeting the left chest and also the right chest, one at a time. If you're a beginner, again, remember, you can always drop down onto your knees and start on your knees. Very good. Keep going. And as you progress, you know the drill. Get onto your toes and keep alternating. Keep your elbows wide. Bring your chest close to the floor and give me a nice push-up. I know most of us hate push-ups, but push-ups, I would say it's one of the best workout for your chest muscles and you don't need any weights. Rest it out. Right, now let's face up, lie back down, bring both dumbbells, okay? And place them just right on your hips, okay? What we want to do is a bridge. So bring your butt down bring it up and squeeze, good. So bring it down and bring it up and squeeze, very good. Small movement, but it will really engage your butt muscles. Again, beginners, you can do this exercise without any weights. If you want to challenge yourself, then put more weights and lift heavier. Squeeze for 2 counts, bring it back down, up, squeeze, engage those glutes, back down and up, good. 15 seconds left. What I want you to do is to swing your butt left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right, okay? So target and hit each glute. Good. Now, let's get back up. Grab your dumbbells. Okay, the next workout is going to be an elbow squeeze, all right, with a shoulder press. That's it, okay? So squeeze and feel your chest. Ready? Let's go. Elbow squeeze, control, feel your chest, and up. All right, good. So working on your chest muscle, it's not just about your chest, okay? You got to tone up the entire upper body. Hence, we want to add the shoulder press. Good. So squeeze your chest, push up and feel that you're working on your shoulders. Nice and control. Open up and push. Very good. You should be sweating, because I am. And you should really feel on your chest and also your shoulders. Keep going. You have 15 seconds left. Squeeze, feel your chest, nice and control. Up and squeeze and up. Last few more. Give me 2 more. 1, up, last one. Squeeze and up. Good. Final workout. Let's find your balance, all right? So it's going to be a single leg deadlift with a kickback, okay? Nice and control on your right leg first, and then we'll swap. Ready? Let's go. Single leg deadlift. Nice. And up. Squeeze your glutes, okay? So when you're trying to find a balance, that's when you have to engage your core and really work on your glutes. And if you're struggling, just look at one point, all right? It's not about rushing the workout, it's about engaging your muscles. Good. Kick back, as high up as you can, as far as you can, and up. Good. Give me a few more, find your balance. Engage, suck in your belly, tighten your core. Nice. Keep going, kick back, as low as you can. Good. And now let's keep going, lower down. Every time you go, challenge yourself to go slightly lower and feel it on your glutes. Very good. All right, swap side, okay? So, shake your right leg out, left leg now. Ready? Let's find your balance. And remember to keep your knees slightly bent, all right? And kick back. Let's go, push and up. You will feel that you are more balanced on one side. Keep going and up. So look at one point to find your balance. If you're struggling, you can always tap down. All right, tap down and bring it back. So down, up, tap, and bring it back. Good. As you progress, just balance on one side. Good. Keep going, kick back, and up. Very good. Keep pushing. Whew. Last workout and you will get a 1 minute break. 5 more seconds. Give me 1 more, as low as you can. Up and rest it out. Drop your weights. Take a 1 minute break. Keep yourself hydrated, drink some water, breathe, and we want to do round 2. You have 15 seconds left. This is round 2, okay? You know all the exercises. I want you to give me your best effort and really work on your glutes and also your chest. So let's start with narrow squat, okay, and a reverse lunge. Good. So remember to always stay low. Let's go. Narrow squat and reverse lunge. Always stay low. Bend your knees, go low, and give me a deeper narrow squat. Go low, squeeze, push up with your heels, feel your glutes, down, push up with your heels, and feel your glutes. Good. Even for your lunge, go low. Good. Let your knee almost touch the floor. Good. Down, low, and lunge. Very good. Keep your knees bent. Don't come up right now. I know your legs are burning. I know your glutes are on fire. But that is the goal. Keep going. Narrow squat and down. Give me 2 more, okay? 1 on each side. Bend. And last one, narrow squat. And shake it out. Good. Now, stand wide, all right? Wide squat and really squeeze your glutes. So weights in the middle, all right? So point your toes out and remember to squat low. Right, let's go. Down, up and squeeze your glutes. Good. Down, point your knees, point your toes out. Down, feel your inner thighs and squeeze. Very good. So really squeeze and feel those glute muscles. Good. Stand wide, okay? Keep your chest up, keep your body upright and squeeze. Tilt your hips slightly at the top. Good. Keep going, you're halfway there. Bring the weights right in the center. Remember to also pace your breathing. Good. Squeeze, push up, push your butt back, squeeze, push your butt back, go low. Good. Give me at least 2 more. Down, up, 1 more, down, up. Very good. We're going down onto the floor, okay? Let's lie down and I want you to do bridge with chest press. So lift your butt up, okay? Squeeze your butt, engage your butt and arms 90 degree. Let's go chest up, press it, straight, open up, squeeze your chest, press, relax and touch the elbow onto the floor and press up. And again, always remember to engage your abs and your core, okay? Do not let it drop. Keep it tight, suck it in, squeeze your glutes and squeeze your chest muscle. Nice and control. Very good. Control down, press up, nice and control, and press up. Keep going. This exercise, again, you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. All right, good. Squeeze your glutes. Press your chest. Nice. Relax your shoulders. Use and engage your chest muscles. Give me last 1 more. Squeeze, tighten your abs, and very good. And now, let's get up into alternate push-ups, okay? Put your dumbbells down and onto the mat. Choose your option, either on your toes or on your knees. All right, ready? Start in the center. We are going left first. Let's go. Left, down. Good. Right, down. Chest close to the floor. Look straight down and push up with your chest muscles. Up. Good. Strong up. Control down. Strong up. Very nice. Again, suck your belly in. Keep your body in a straight line. As you progress, beginners, get onto your toes, okay? No pressure. It's all about starting. Very good. Feel your chest muscles. Feel your shoulders as well. Keep going. Few more. You got this. This is round number 2. Give me 1 more on each side. Down, up, 1 more, okay? Down and up. Back down, hip bridge. Grab your dumbbells. All right? Lie back down, feet flat onto the floor. Place them just on your hips, all right? Bring your butt down, push up, squeeze your glutes, down and up. So really secure your dumbbells firmly. Good. Squeeze and up. Very good. Control and up. So do not rest your glutes on the floor, okay? Squeeze, engage. Very good. And remember the last 15 seconds. We want to sway your butt from the left to the right. Keep going. Give me 2 more. Up, down, and up. Ready? Let's go. Left, right, right. So really engage to the left and the right cheek. Keep going. Don't drop right now. Keep it high. Keep it lifted. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Right. Let's get back up, okay? The next workout is going to be an elbow squeeze with shoulder press, all right? Ready? 4 seconds left. Let's go. Start strong, all right? Let's give me a nice strong elbow squeeze and press up. Very good. Nice and controlled. Do not drop the weights. I know this is tougher because your shoulder muscles are somewhat smaller. So press it up straight and strong. Good. So squeeze it and push it up. Very good. So always remember to keep your body straight, your body in line. So do not arch or do not hunch, okay? So squeeze and press up. Very good. Squeeze, feel your chest, control up, nice and control down. Squeeze, open up, 90 degrees, press up. Good. Few more. Up, press. Last one. Give me at least one more after this, okay? This is your second round, so at least one more. Press and rest it out. Good. Last workout, the most dreaded one, single leg deadlift, okay? So find your balance, start on your right side, bend your knees slightly, look at one point, okay? Ready? If you can't do the kickback, that's fine. Right, let's go. Down and up. Good. Squeeze your glutes, down, nice and control, tighten your abs, tighten your core and up. Don't rush the workout. Control. Slowly extend your leg to a kickback. Good. Nice and control, kick back, and up, okay? Every time you go, try to go slightly deeper and keep your chest up. So do not hunch your back. Look at one point, very good. Go deeper, up, tighten and squeeze. Extend and up, good. Down, reach, balance, and rest. Oh my God, that wasn't easy. Next leg, okay? Left side. Final workout, I promise you, and you will get a good rest. Right, shake your right leg out. Left side, okay? Forward, bend your knees, let's go. Down, start slow, and up. Once you find your balance, that's when you can add the kick back. Good. Up, and let's go. Try, extend your right leg, kick back slightly. Up, squeeze, very good. If you're struggling, what you can do is gently tap and bring it back down, tap, and bring it back. Good. As you progress, find your balance. Very good. Kick back, control, look at one point. Very nice. Few more, okay? You have 5 seconds left. Give me one last one with a kick back. Well done. Drop your dumbbells. That's the end of your workout to tone up on your butt and also your chest muscles, okay? For best results, remember to do this workout at least 2 to 3 times weekly and just take it at your own pace, find your rhythm. As you progress, you can of course increase the set to 3 sets and combine this with total body workout as well as cardio workout. Remember, if you keep it consistent, trust me, you will see results, alright? So don't give up, keep it consistent and let me know how you get on in the comments below. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done it, and also turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new workout video, recipes, and even fitness and nutritional tips. I hope you're sweaty. All the best.